Imagine stepping into your bedroom after a long, exhausting day where soft lighting, plush textures, and soothing scents instantly melt away your stress. What if I told you that you could turn your space into the ultimate cozy retreat with just a few simple changes? The first step to a cozy haven is setting the right foundation. Start with warm, neutral tones. Think soft beige, creamy whites, or earthy grays. These colors create a sense of calm and relaxation. Cozy spaces thrive on textures. Layering soft materials like a chunky knit blanket, velvet cushions, and a plush rug can instantly elevate the comfort level. Harsh overhead lights can ruin the cozy vibe. Instead, opt for warm, ambient lighting. Fairy lights, bedside lamps, or even candles to create a soft, inviting glow. Make your bedroom truly yours with personal touches. Framed memories, your favorite scented candles, or a cozy reading nook with a plush chair and throw blanket. Transforming your bedroom into a cozy haven is all about layering, warmth, textures, and personal details. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can create a space that wraps you in comfort every single day.